Ginger Squad. Hey, Ginger Squad, welcome back to another video. I am Stella, and I'm here with
Maggie.
And today we're gonna be playing Banana Eats, and so we're gonna join a new server because this one already started. So we'll see you guys there. Okay, guys, we are in a new server now, and the round is starting. Let's see who's gonna be Banana. I'm Banana. I won't. Anyway, if I do, you have 3 lives, and if I do by you, then you go like zoom. I'm just gonna, go and turn.
Can you so I just hide?
Yeah. Am I cute?
Yeah.
I'm saving up for the dip banana. Yes, get the banana coins. Banana can also get the banana coins. Oh yeah, collect the cake and solve the puzzles. This is the cake.
Please don't kill me.
I won't. Where are you?
I'm in a locker behind the stage.
I need to show you where the cake is. Oh wow, I found a lot of people. Hi!
Yeah, try and kill them. Okay, I see. Okay, it looks like you're getting closer to me because it's red.
Yeah, I don't know. I bit someone, I think. I'm not sure though. Hi, child.
Please don't kill me.
I won't. Follow me. I'm going to show you where a piece of cake is. After I bite these people. Come back here. Yes, I got someone. Come back here, my child.
Oh, what's this?
I got her. Yay. Come back, my child. Good.
Okay. How do I eat it? Just click on it?
No, you don't eat it.
What do I do? Hold it?
Okay, follow me.
Please don't eat me.
I won't. Boing.
Where do I place it?
Follow me.
Oh my god, that scared me.
I'm going to show you where you can place the cake. Did you go through the stage?
Yeah. Oh my god.
This way. Go through there and I'll meet you in the kitchen. Stay in there.
Crap. Where do I put it? On a plate?
Okay, now come into the kitchen. Child, don't be scared. I'm here.
Oh my god.
Follow me. In here. Child, in here. And place the cake there. That's the last piece.
Yay, I did it. Puzzle piece?
Banana seed.
I got the puzzle piece.
No. That puzzle was completed. I just gotta find more people now. Let me show you another puzzle. Where are you? In there? Okay. Child, follow me. Follow me. I won't hurt you. Don't worry. Follow me.
I'm coming. Please don't turn back. Oh my god.
Okay.
That's so scary.
Solve this puzzle, okay? Try to get it until it's like, until the pieces are green. Okay, go. Go.
Okay.
Banana sees you. Banana's extra hungry. Nom. Just click it until it turns green. Someone's going to help you, so I can't try to bite them because then I'll bite you.
No, she's messing it up.
No, she's not. She's helping. See, she's making it green. Is she still there?
She made it red.
She was probably trying to. I'm gonna try to bite those people. If I end up I got stuck in a locker. If I end up biting you, I'm sorry. Banana sees you. Banana is extra hungry. People are gonna start heading towards the. I see people. I see my yummies. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to eat, Yeah. I'm sorry. Because I accidentally killed you trying to kill other people. No.
You're so rude.
I didn't mean to, okay? If it was still that part, then, Sorry. I killed 3 people.
My life is over.
Do you see the banana on my back?
Yes.
I'm saving up for it. It's 2,000 banana coins.
Wait, if you're saving up for it, then why do you have it?
No, this banana.
Oh.
I can buy that. See? It's 1,200. What the heck is that?
Banana back room?
No.
Supermarket.
This one. Supermarket.
It's high.
I hope it was a supermarket. If you're banana, please don't get me. I got you on accident, okay? Because at the end, you only get 1 bite as banana. You're not banana, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Just follow me, okay?
I grabbed the cake.
Cake,
Oh,
cake,
that's where we
cake.
put it.
Yeah.
Where are you?
Try to hide in a locker if you see banana come close to you. I found the code 642.
Okay, where do we put it?
That's what we have to. Here we go. Over here.
Oh my gosh, it's getting white.
That's good. 6.
6.
Stop, child.
2.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. Banana coin, can I have it, please?
Sorry. Okay, if it's we're gonna head over here and see if it becomes yellow. It's becoming yellow. It's yellow.
Let's go back in the locker.
Wait,
Get in the locker.
wait. It's not as dark as it should be, but someone was eaten. It's white.
I'm trying to find you.
Just hide in a locker and I'll find you. But if your beacon ever, glows yellow, run or crouch. Crouch, then they can't see your hearts. There. Now banana can't see your hearts.
Wait, so banana can see my heart?
If you're not crouching, yes. Banana's close. Look at mine. I see banana. I gotta run. I gotta run. I'm gonna be bitten. I was bitten. I gotta run, run, run. Run, run, run. After I place down this cake, we have to hide in lockers. Oh, gosh.
I just cried.
In a locker? Let's go. Let's go. Dun, dun, dun.
Mine's white.
Mine's yellow. Mine's extremely yellow, so I can't risk it.
Mine's getting yellow.
I'm hoping banana can help you.
We just need to survive. That's it, right?
Yeah, and then we'll get a lot of money. I'm scared. I hope banana can. There's a locker by you right here. Okay, never mind. I can't move.
Oh my gosh, I'm shaking.
We have to go. No, 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 child, no. Exit. We gotta get to an exit. I'm about to escape. I'm so sorry you were eaten.
Yeah, you're fine.
Yeah. Try to stay in a locker. Hi. I have 500.
Good job. Would you like background music?
Nah. This is so fun. Oh gosh, I can't see how much time is left. Okay. We've been filming for 8 minutes. Yeet. Yeet, go.
I didn't see yours.
What do you mean?
Your picture.
I'm right here. Oh, you have to scroll down sometimes. Okay. Banana's close. The player spawn is by the banana spawn, so you don't want to
Not voting.
arcade. Actually, no, I haven't done the cabin before. Vote the cabin. Oh, never mind. Well, you can do arcade. Okay, now we're just hoping that one of us will be banana. You would love being banana, and every kill you get is more money.
Ooh, how much?
About $5. I know it doesn't. Oh, it's okay.
Okay. Is there cake in every single thing?
Most of the time, yeah.
Ooh,
Banana coins. Sometimes you can collect.
I found cake.
If you collect all the banana coins, then you can collect over 100 banana. Banana is here. Banana is here. Banana is here. I'm just following this person. Darn it.
Oh my gosh, mine's getting hot.
Hot?
Not hot. Alright, I'm good.
No,
Where do I
no,
place the
I'm
cake?
gonna die.
I see it.
Yes, and now, I'm just gonna hide. This person's a good banana. Oh, frick, no.
Hide.
I'm hiding by an exit.
I'm still white. We solved one.
I would tell you to try to find this exit, but banana's really close to me. Okay,
Oh, banana.
banana's away from me.
Help me! Help me!
Run, just run, okay?
I can't. My thing is shaking. I think he's following me.
Probably is.
I just led him to people. So close.
Hide in a locker and then crouch. And then once he leaves, and if he's not close to me, then try to find it. Then try to find.
Okay, mine's getting white.
Oh gosh, mine's pastel yellow. It's white. Okay, you want me to take you to me?
No.
Okay.
Wait, if you type in chat, will it be like adopt me where like it pops out of your head?
Let me see. Nope.
Okay, yours is red. I'm gonna say hi. Alright, mine's red.
I have
Same
one.
right here.
I have one
my
life
gosh.
left. Are we the only ones left?
There's 3 people left. Well, technically 1 if you count. If you don't count us. We basically just have to survive. Like,
Yes.
not be seen.
Oh frick, banana's close to me. Okay, he's
Banana's
gone.
close to me.
Oh my. Let's hope he doesn't get you.
Mine's going pastel. No, it's going. It's going. Okay, it's going pastel. It's going white. It's white. Okay.
Mine's white, but I'm not. Oh, mine's
Oh
yellowish.
my gosh, please.
It's white again.
Okay, he's getting closer to me ish.
He's really close to me. I can't risk going anywhere.
Yeah, no. Mine's white. Mine is white.
Usually don't be falling fast.
Mine's white.
Every
my
night and every day.
Banana sees you. Banana's hungry.
Go, 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 go.
You gotta escape. Oh my god, I can't escape.
Why?
I don't.
Just go.
No, he's right by me.
Make a run for it. He's not that close to you. Make a run for
I
it.
can't.
Yes, it's
I
white.
can't.
It's white. Make a run for it, or else you're
Where's the
not
dang
gonna
escape thing?
follow that thing. That was close. You get 62 if you escape.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Go, go, go. You can make it.
I'm not gonna
Come
make
on.
it.
Yes, you are.
No, not.
Yes, you are. See, it's right there.
Here?
Yes.
Oh
Go,
my gosh,
go, go,
I'm
go,
gonna
go,
make it,
go.
I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna make it. Yes!
You made it.
Yes! Ugh. Yes!
Only two
Where are
people.
you?
Only two
You're not
people
on
didn't
here.
make it. Yeah, you just have
you're
to.
probably right there.
Yeah, that's me.
It was a noob who's banana.
Yeah, but he was really good.
It was a girl.
See.
How much time do we have left on recording? 2 more
2 minutes. Well, let's just go ahead and end the video here then.
Okay, where are you?
Right here.
I'm in slime. Alright, let's go right here.
Let's first, vote. This? No, the high school.
Okay, let's end it off here.
Okay. Well, guys, I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe. And it's going to be the supermarket. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on post notifications to all and hit that like button.
Thank you for playing Banana Eats with us. Please watch more videos.
Bye. Maggie's link will be in the description. Bye.
Oh,